Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. And Microsoft launched recently new update for Windows 11. Okay, and KB5023706. Okay, so how to install the manually? This link in description. So directly click and come this link. Okay, then you click W20HS2 64-bit and then click to download. So guys, now show the link and then again click this link, and now this is started your update. So please wait few minutes. When you finish download, then double click to open, and 2 to 3 times next, and then your system restart. So those that update apply on your system, then check it. Have any issue, so please comment me. I will make videos for any troubleshoot, so please comment me. Okay, bye bye.